Continuous scan allows you to seamlessly copy a large stack of documents in separate batches. Select Copy. Select the Advanced Setup tab. Select Continuous Scan. Press On and press OK. Place the first batch of originals in the document processor and press Start. When prompted by the device, place the next batch of originals in the document processor and press Start. When all of the desired documents have gone through, select Finish Scan, and the device will begin producing the full copied output.